alaro kere na esomero ngesi Ekuse te Ikwamin lwe jokuka karaida esekunitai Elagaano loka midi central regional debate ajaikin toma Stephen Oliga Apollo kinito ne somero ijauni tunga ngesi abalebe kwape somero erae kechepelu arauta jina nutkane jasi tunga ochaloi owailo anyunebe mame jepio ikito arai mami raikitai lwepu.
It's an important initiative. Don't take this lightly. It's not an issue of just saying we are participating. We have seen many of the things that you are doing as Kabale guests. If you look at the environment, it has a lot of trees. And this initiative did not start because of this green school. We started early.
Kwape arino achene da jaikina isecha omisho kanwa itegare Elagaano atuboko kesi apotu ojaikino sa skapikine sishaka keda eponelo iswama world school debate nara idwelu ipu anaikitos eponelo kolo seklo airab.
One, social contract. We think the state has an obligation, not just to the people who are reformed or to every particular individual, to every particular citizen. That is to say that even for those who are not who are being intrinsically affected by the lack of food production in the agricultural sector because of Kavera littering that does not decompose, that leads to lack of food production.
Governments will always have to make, if I can buy you off, if I can give you this amount of money at the expense of me still establishing my Kavera kind of industry or littering the society, who will not take that? That's what we're saying. The only thing that they need to do for us as of now, instead of address the matters of corruption, I think POI will be addressed by the next people.
Hey, we are all fronting for a place that has less disposal of Kavera and a green environment. And we're not going to do this by punishing someone who is not even given a conducive environment whereby they can be able to dispose of this particular Kavera.
Normally, when we learn in class, we need a reminder of the practice on what we have learned about. So this is purely because you are young, because you are coming from different areas, you are also able to share knowledge.
I want you to tell me how can I get cancer through that the use of Kavera.
This house will criminalize Kavera littering. It's true.
If I go and ask for a job of picking these veras around, then I will be employed and I develop my country.
Apollo kinito na Shomanko district Kangol Francis Kiamuhendo nesa pole yalamanoi aite idue isechetea omiso Elagaano loerab nesi apotu itimuni kanyauni koto motomo na kanyauni kitelekasi alomaro quarterfinals neda apoti timuni wongon itelekara tarangeseteke kiebambe girls school Ojai Fort Portal, keda Semuliki High School, kesi apotu itelekasi kotomo finals. Karaida elo munite raban lo eswamate jok, osomero lo Semuliki High School. Kiebambe nesi abu iteleka, midi central debate climate change. Konyelo esipeji asubana nuko kabalega SS, orauni lo uniet.
Practice, though there were some downfalls, but I'm so happy that we've made it.
But I always believe that if someone is good enough, then the person is old enough, and the girls have done it for me.
I'm very sure we're not going to decline, and how I pray, I also became the first male speaker that said.
Very, very happy to be the second runner.
Apollo kinitona project lo jone remo esiti kiesisi yake kechepelu koto Aitiji Ekuse lo Ikwamin kai jai kini tungai julaki na ijenekech.
We believe young minds are still impressionable. Once they are bought into something, then sustainability is guaranteed. We have a bright future because their future, their very existence is hinged on having better livelihoods, better environment for ourselves and posterity.
RDC Masindi District, Emi Gabirano, Nese Ajai Kina Urianetengin. Abu Ishalami ketemono kinak anapeta nwaisecha omisho. Kanwa sipo kina napeta kech. Neja asiesi siaka Aitiji Ekuse lo Ikwamin. Eyalamaite Kiambabe Girls Keda Semuliki High School Ereto Kinos Kotoma Finals Loa Green Schools Project Debate.
I want to request you to be ambassadors of change, real ambassadors of change. Go and plant a tree. Go and have orchard.
Kanuka TV is Abraham Elapu, Rogers Akaijuka, Jonathan Mitala, Co-Districtor Loko Masindi.